Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's topic is Tesla stock price prediction. We have created this web application using Streamlit. This web application will predict the closing stock price of Tesla. So to predict the stock price, we need to give some input values to these parameters. Like here the parameters are date, opening value, high value, low value, adjacent closing value and the volume. So let's enter the input values. Like for instance the date is this, the open value is 20,000. Let's give the high value 15,000. Low value is 7,800 and the adjacent closing value to be 6,000. The volume is 1 lakh. So we have entered all the parameters. Now let's click predict button for the prediction. Okay, so now you can see that it has successfully predicted the stock price. You can access the source code from here by clicking the file menu. Here you can see the files that are required. Here it is requirements.txt file and app.py file. So in this file there is a source code for this project. So here is the source code and its application. Thank you. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.